Hey guys, my name is Bobby Legs and I have a YouTube channel. And on that channel I do watch reviews and discuss topics in the watch community. I know, exciting stuff, right? But today we're not going to be talking about watches. Today I want to share with you a recent accomplishment. My channel became monetized on YouTube. Now, how did I get there? Well, there's two milestones that you need to reach. You need to get 1,000 subs and have about 4,000 hours of view time on your videos. Now, when I started my channel a little under a year ago, my expectations, well, I didn't have any expectations. I just wanted to share my collection, maybe do some reviews, and maybe get involved with the watch community. And man, those expectations were blown away. I got so involved with the watch community, the watch enthusiast community. I developed friendships. Me and other people started sharing watches and lending it for review to each other. Now, that saved me a lot of money from buying watches to review. But what I didn't realize was that shipping watches back and forth is expensive, especially when you have to add insurance. So when I got closer and closer to that monetization milestone, I figured, well, maybe when it's the time, I should apply for it, just so I could mitigate some of the shipping costs. So last week I hit those milestones. I got a notification from YouTube. I filled out a form for AdSense, immediately got approved, and then within a couple of days, I was making money on YouTube. Now, I had read and seen videos where they said that this process could take about a month, but for me, it was only 3 days. Great. So this video is not necessarily about how to make money on YouTube. Actually, it isn't. This video is not about how to get views or get subs. I am no expert. I have a very small channel in a very small niche in the YouTube world. So I am the last person that you should ask that kind of information. But I did want to chronicle my experience over this first week on monetization. And if there is interest, or positive feedback, maybe I'll do this after a month, after 6 months, and after a year. So guys, let's flip that camera onto the desktop and see how I did. Hey guys, well, thanks for joining me on the desktop. And quick thing I want to preface. Again, I know I said it in the beginning of the video. This is not about showing you how to make more money, get more views, or get more subs. I am the last person you should be looking for that kind of information for. But I just wanted to chronicle, like I said, to do like a journal, a video vlog, or whatever from my experience, monetizing on YouTube and starting off my first week here. So here's the dashboard on my YouTube Studio app. So this is what I open up and I see every day. And then where I want to go to is the analytics section. And here you can see I have some tabs here. There's the overview. And you have views, watch time, subscribers, and estimated revenue. Now, this estimated revenue part wasn't there over a week ago. And once I became monetized, this tab appeared. And a lot of things started opening up once you become monetized. You'll see some more things, more tabs and whatnot. So to drill it down, day by day of how much you earn, you can go here to your estimated revenue. And so this first day, I made $19.98, September 11th, last Friday, a week ago today. This is Saturday, the 19th of September. And this is not the norm. I did a live stream that night and unexpectedly got a couple super chats totaling $25 on a live stream. And if you don't know what super chats are, people can, I don't know, just kind of donate money to you, give you a few bucks, and their chat or their comment gets highlighted and whatnot. And you can look into that. I'm sure there's plenty of videos on that as well. But I got $25 worth, and YouTube takes a cut. And so it ended up being like $17.50. So if I didn't have that super chat, I would have gotten $2.48 that day. Now I've noticed that the more views I get, the better or higher amounts I get. So my guess is that it's based on views, how you monetize, not necessarily subs, but you still need subs to get views, whatnot, even though a lot of my views, around 65% of my views, I think, come from non-subscribe viewers. So about a good third do. So you still kind of have to work on getting subs, of course. That's, if this is what you want to do, if you want to monetize on YouTube, that's the name of the game. So then the next day on September 12th, $1.79. $1.48 on Sunday the 13th, $1.57, 205, 211, and then Thursday 171. And I said this was Saturday, but this is still processing data from yesterday. So look, I mean, if you had any expectation of once you become monetized that the money starts rolling in, well, it doesn't really. I mean, not for like a channel like mine, and that's okay. If I didn't have this super chat, you would take 1750 off of that. So now you're looking at like, I don't know, 1250 or 12, yeah, around $12.50 or $12.19, whatever the math is. So hopefully in time, the progression gets higher and higher, and it goes, up and to the right. Or it'd be great if it was just like a hockey stick and just go all the way up one day. Um, but like I said, I mean, I just want to be able to cover my shipping costs. I have so much fun doing this. The people that I've met, the conversations, the watches that I would have never seen on my own without the help of the community. It is well worth it and worth any money, more than any money that I can make. Now, I have no illusion that I'm gonna do this for a living one day. Like I said, if I can just mitigate my shipping costs, if eventually I can maybe once a year get a nice watch, or just be able to pump it back into the channel, get better software, get better cameras, um, that would be awesome. And that's what I'm hopefully that's what lies ahead. So guys, let me know what you think. Please put a comment below. If I messed up somewhere, if I gave some, inaccurate information or not full information, this is just a discussion. This is not about like who's right or wrong here. I'm still learning in this process. And if you want me to continue doing this, I'll be more than happy to do this, once a month or once every few months, to give you guys a quick update of what's going on in the channel. And I promise that if that's the case, I'll get more and better, I'll get better informed and able to give you something more of substance than I am now. But right now, I just wanted to share what it's like after the first week of monetization. And anyway, look, if you're into watches and you happen just to stumble on this video, please like and subscribe and click that bell icon. I love making watch related videos. So anyway, guys, have a good night, and hopefully I'll see you soon.